Let's be a witness to the spectacular fashion show brought to you by PGA International and Awaz Entertainment. Muks, are you ready? Okay, DJ, are you ready?
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop Havana Man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I'm bed sheets smell like you. Everything discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop Havana Man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I'm bed sheets smell like you. Everything discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I'm bed sheets smell like you. Everything discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put Vanna Man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull.
How was it, ladies and gentlemen? Our beautiful models and the designers and everyone. That's too low of a cheer. How are they? Come on! Thank you. I would like to invite on stage first a lady who is the one and only Awaz Entertainment, Miss Sabeen Chughtai. Please, ma'am, idhar aaye. Right here. That's Sabeen Chughtai. From our Awaz Entertainment, and a gentleman who has been working very hard along with Sabeen Chughtai from PGA International. Please welcome Mr. Mithul Kakaria. We have Daria on stage. Daria, are you back? There you go. You look the same. My God, how do you maintain it? That's for our hair and makeup. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Can we get the designer here from Panache? Without these people, we would not be able to make this show happen. This part of the show. Thank you. Thank you. Huge round of applause for these wonderful people. The next person here, Kubra, our wonderful Kubra. Kubra, let's go Kubra. Huge round of applause for Kubra, please. For Kubra. Connecting the dots. This beautiful backdrop that you see, sir, by connecting the dots. Where are you? That's also Sabeena. Thank you, Sabeena, and her wonderful team. We have 3 other fashion shows lined up. These sherwanis, where are my gentlemen? Come here. Delhi 6. Where are you? Come on, quickly, come on. These lovely sherwanis are from Delhi 6. Go check their spot out. Take a walk, guys. Let's go. They came with only 2 sherwanis, that's why he doesn't have one. But he has more sherwanis for sale, okay, guys? Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Delhi 6. Great sherwanis, guys. So that was our first fashion show. You know the stalls are here. If you like the models, what they're wearing, their apparel, jewelry, hairstyle, makeup, everything is in-house here, provided at a special rate for all the attendees. Don't forget, it's brought to you by PGA International and Awaz Entertainment.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मुकद्दस है, मैं Z.Collections की ओनर हूँ एंड हम इस ब्राइडल एक्सपो में आए हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं और बहुत ज़बरदस्त एक्सपो है. इट्स बीन अरेंज्ड वेरी वेरी वेल. Fashion show was amazing. Music is amazing. The organizers did a great job. Thank you Sameena for recommending me to come here. And जो इनको manage कर रहे हैं वो उनका भी शुक्रिया बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है आपका. और I needed recognition and this show has given me that recognition. So I'll be coming again here. Thank you.
Good evening everybody, and I love this event. Actually it's a lot of help in my business. I love the fashion show. And I love the organizers. They've put up really nicely. Thank you so much.
Hi, I would like to thank Awaz Entertainment and PGA International. And we are Delhi 6. It's a store at Melbourne Town Centre in Scarborough. We custom design lehengas, sherwanis. So you have any style, any design you want, we can get that done in any fabric. And plus we have Kashmiri shawls as well.
Mic check.
event, and we are located in Scarborough. So I would request you guys to do visit us anytime you would like to. Thank you.
Hi, I'm just having a stall of photography. It's SL Anum Photography. I love the event. Event is going very well. People are really enjoying it. Thanks for this. Thanks for our photography theme. Thank you.
This has been an amazing event. Got to see different types of booths with many different options to pick from. Got to see an amazing modeling show with beautiful brides and bridegrooms' dresses. It was amazing. Essentially what we are a decoring business. So what we go about to do is we go over a consultation with you, see exactly what you're looking to execute, and then we bring it to perfection. We come in, we go about to put it up, and then we come back, and then we take it down for you. So we do everything for you with the needs of what you're looking for. This is J&R Rental Solutions.
So nice to meet you. I'm loving the show. It's amazing. I love the culture, the dresses. That dress over there keeps staring at me. Beautiful.
You will look nice if you try it.
I believe it.
What about your stall? What are you giving to the brides?
So right now we are doing dry nail polish. So this nail polish, it's real nail polish, 95% dry. So it goes on like a sticker, right? But you remove it with regular nail polish remover.
Oh.
Yeah.
You can't peel it off.
No, you should never peel anything off your nails, my love. When you peel or scrape, you're removing your nail bed, right? So you're damaging your nail. Never peel, never scrape anything off your nails, ladies. Okay. This, you just put it on and you remove it with nail polish remover.
Something very new because
It's very new. We've launched in Canada last year in August, and it's been in the US for 4 years. But currently, we sell more nail polish, dry nail polish, than all of the other nail polish companies combined worldwide.
And are you enjoying this show?
I am loving every minute of it, my love. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. It's amazing.
जोर से तालियां हो जाए इन models के लिए. Let's have a big shout out for all the vendors, all designers, makeup artists, jewelry, and of course our gorgeous damsels and the handsome men. I could hear the fan following. And of course, I'm going to invite the lady who has worked very hard for this, the one and only of Awaz Entertainment, Mrs. Sabeen Chughtai. There you go. She's giving a run for money to the models on the ramp walk. Guys, have a competitive. Go give me a round of applause, dosto!
Myself is Kiran Bharti and I have my colleague with you, Monica Randall.
Hello.
So we are here to introduce the concept of savings, investments, and creating some emergency funds, and to understand the importance of living benefits for our young clients and for our young generation.
Absolutely. No, I think this is the best time to speak to someone. We can help you figure out what kind of goals that you can achieve, and we can show you a path on how to achieve them. So best thing you can do at a young age is speak to Kiran and myself, and we will hold your hand throughout your whole journey. Thank you.
And first of all, and most important thing is I want to thank the PGA International for giving us an opportunity to come here and meeting the own young generation.
And
Thank you very much.
thank you to Awaz Entertainment as well. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Aisha and I have a small business of doing. I'm a henna artist and I do bridal and party henna, and I do custom made candles for the events like henna day and nikah day and the reception day. See, I also do Arabic calligraphy on the candles, like Eid Mubarak candles and Ramadan Mubarak candles. I do party favors as well. So please reach me out if you guys are interested for any bridal henna, for any brides, and also for the party. And so please follow me. It's Henna Artistry Toronto on Instagram. Thank you. So I guess this is a lots of like exposure, I could say. Like so many people you get to communicate with, and lots of exposure, lots of marketing for this, for the small businesses, I guess. So yeah. So this event is amazing, I think, because this is my first time I'm doing in the Mississauga, because previously I used to do in the Scarborough. But yeah, in the Mississauga, it's a lot of exposure, yeah.
Hello, we are Glitz and Glee Events and Decor. It's our first wedding expo here, and we are really enjoying that. Thank you very much for all the organizers who took all the hard work, and it's beautiful and it's very productive us attending for this event today. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ सबीन चुगताई और अनमोल जायका मेरा फूड है, और मैं आज यहाँ पे मेरा ये केटरिंग ऑर्डर है, और यहाँ पे मैंने चाट लेके आई थी जो ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो गई है, और उसके अलावा गोलगप्पे हैं, बन कबाब हैं, बिरयानी है, चिकन बिरयानी, ये है स्पेशल इमली गुड़ और खजूर की चटनी, और ये मेरी स्पेशल खीर है। उसके अलावा रमज़ान के गिव अवे के बॉक्सेस हैं मेरे पास, और इसके अलावा चाय भी अवेलेबल है हमारे स्टॉल पे, और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे। थैंक यू समीना जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया, और सब यहाँ पे बहुत इंजॉय करें।
The show, and let's hear it out for the beautiful models here at our wedding expo, brought to you by PGA International and Awaz Entertainment. DJ, hit it! Ladies and gentlemen, how were they? Come on. There you go. That's the cheer. How were these models? There you go. तो पहले मैं उस शख्स को बुलाना चाहूँगा स्टेज पे, the lady who has worked very hard to make this event possible. #1 Urdu Hindi TV channel in Canada. She is running it day and night. Can we have a round of applause for the stylish diva? कुछ देर पहले इधर वो हेयर स्टाइल कर रहे थे, बहुत अच्छे गाउन भी पहन के आए हैं, मेकअप की तो बात ही मत करो. Please welcome the ravishing, the always full of life, Sabeen. Hiya, madam. और पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. ये खूबसूरत डिजाइन्स, पाकिस्तानी branded clothing, all sizes, colors, patterns are available. You can contact her at 416-579-3898. Z.Collections के Azra Khan. Let's have a round of stage and paparazzi get ready. Capture these moments.
The PGA International event organized by Mithul today, and we are really enjoying it. And I'm the photographer at Winnie with the Photography and Cinematography, and really enjoying it. Since 10 years I'm doing this thing and really enjoying the real weddings, capturing precious moments for the people's life. And thank you.
Hi guys, this is Team Shimmer, Manny and Seema. We're live at the Wedding Expo at Mississauga Convention Center. We are actually giving out special bridal prices, 50% off. So if you are watching this, we'll also honor this. We are offering our bridal package from $850 to $500. So if you confirm your booking with us by end of April, we'll honor the $500 bridal price to you. Yeah. Okay, and also we've been doing this for the last 20 years. And please follow us on Instagram, it's Shimmerxoinc, and follow us on Facebook as well. Thank you for coming at Convention Center and seeing us here. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Fred of FJD Artistry here at the 2022 Wedding Expo. Very happy to be here. FJD Artistry is a photography business. We do weddings, events, portraits, and more. If you ever need any photography services, please reach out on Instagram at Captured by the Dawn, where you can scan the QR code, which will be publicized. Please do stop by. We are doing a raffle today, giving away 50% off any of the wedding packages featured online. So definitely stop by. All you have to do is follow us on Instagram to have a shot to win. Thank you very much.
Hi, so I'm Talisa. I am with iStar Photo Booth Services. We operate all over Southern Ontario. Today we are here at the 6th Annual Wedding Expo. We are very happy to have attended this event today. We had a lot of brides coming up to our booth, so it was a very good for our business today.
Thank you for coming, and we are really obliged that you made this event wonderful for us. We are happy that you are happy. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
तो चलिए फैशन का जलवे का जरा मजा लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम सिंगिंग पे आएंगे. हमारा आखिरी फैशन का जलवा for the 6th Annual Wedding Expo brought to you by PGA International and Awaz Entertainment. Audience, are you ready? Audience, are you ready? There you go. DJ, hit it.
तुझे दिल की लगा है ये, तुझे ढूंढ रहा था मैं. तुझे दिल की लगा है ये, तुझे ढूंढ रहा था मैं. तुझ में है कुछ ऐसी सुहासा, जिसकी खातिर मैं था जगा सा. आ तू मेरे ख्वाब सजा जा रे. आ जा रे, आ जा रे. तेरी बाहों में मिली ऐसी राहत सी मुझे हो गई जाने जहां. तेरी आदत सकूंगा तुम्हारे बिना मैं मेरा तुम सहारा बनो इतनी खताएं तू लेकर चला है दौलत की जैसे तेरा खुदा आगे कहीं हो तेरे बिन चाह मेरी जाए कहीं हो इतने ज़माने